Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Press the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. My returning subscriber, thank you and God bless you for always standing by me. I so much love you all. God bless you all in Jesus' name. In today's video, I want to make pasta with vongole. This is the Italian dishes. As you can see, I believe that a lot of people know what I'm about to make. This is you can eat it like this, you can make it and eat it like this. For me, sometimes I eat it like this, sometimes I make it with tomatoes, free to make it the way you want it. For me now, this evening I'm making it with tomatoes here, and I'm going to put everything in here into the gas because my pot is already in here ready. So let's get into the video. Okay, it's a simple recipe. Let me make this delicious and amazing meal for you guys. Continue watching, guys. Stay tuned. Okay, here now we are washing it. You have to wash it and make it very clean because I wouldn't like to say there is sand inside, so I wouldn't like to take that risk. So I'm just washing properly to make everything to be neat inside. Okay, it's properly washed already. I wash it with hot water, I wash it with cold water as well. I'm sorry guys. Okay guys, let's get started now. First thing we have to put pepper, salt. I need to say sorry guys, salt, and I have one onion. I just allow it to chill a little bit. After that, I will add the tomato with the one bell pepper. After that, I will be adding my black pepper. I have black pepper here. I will be putting a little Maggi flavor to bring more taste. Okay. Now turn it a little bit. Just a simple recipe. It's not taking time to make. This vongole I've already proper washed. As you can see, you see it before when I was washing it. Now I will add it inside. Let me just, first of all, I have to put Maggi. I'm not going to use full Maggi. I used it already before. I'm using almost full anyway. So I will add this one into it. I'm going to leave this one. If it is not enough, then I will add. For the moment, I will just leave it like that. Okay, now I will be adding the vongole. As you can see, can you see that? Now I'm going to cover it a little bit. I will turn it now, then I will cover it. I will leave it at least for 7 minutes. It's a very simple recipe, Okay. Now I'm going to be covering it for at least, I will check it again within 2 minutes. See you guys later. Okay guys, after my pasta, I'm going to be using this. Guys, I will be using my salad with corn. This one is already made already. I just don't want to be stressing myself to be preparing it. It's already made. Everything is inside, salad and everything. This one is a corn. My salad without corn is not salad. So I always love using corn when I'm making my salad. So let me show you. The vongole is almost ready, and my pot is here for the pasta, and my vongole is almost ready, guys. If you see the scent, don't go there. It's really scenty. Wow. You know what fits this pasta, this vongole? White wine. Wow, if you use it to eat it, you will enjoy it more. You will enjoy it more, guys. It's almost ready. I'm going to remove it now. Less than a few seconds. Let me have a little taste. Wow, it tasted so nice, you know. So I'll get back to you guys. Continue washing. Continue washing, guys. Okay guys, I will be having I already put oil inside so that it will not stick together. I will be having my pasta, just a little. I don't want to cook much. It's okay like this. So in the next 7 minutes, I will remove it. Pasta is almost ready, guys. Almost ready. 1 minute, the pasta will be ready. Here is my vongole. It's ready already. I call it pasta. It's spaghetti. You know, I always make the mistake of saying the name of the things, you know. So this is spaghetti. So it's almost ready, and my vongole is ready, guys. It's waiting for me to come out, you know. Wow, you can see here. I will open one for you guys to see when I'm finished, when I'm done with everything. You can see how they are eating it. It's really yummy. Mine. This is my salad here. I always love using egg because egg is very nice. It's good for body. You can use any one of your cheese if you don't like to have egg inside. Me myself, I always have egg inside anytime I'm making salad. So it's very nice, you know. Aceto, I don't know whether you people know what is aceto in Italy. A lot of people that is living in Italy, they know what is aceto. So I'm going to be putting aceto inside this salad, not cream. You know, sometimes I use aceto, sometimes I use mayonnaise. So today I'm using aceto to eat my salad. It's really fresh. Okay guys, the food is almost ready now. I will be turning my vongole inside the spaghetti. I'm going to turn it here. Now let's turn it. I'll get back to you guys. I want to really mix it so that everything will get into the spaghetti, you know, so that we have the best taste. So I will get back to you guys. Okay guys, the food is ready. Let me put it for plate and show you more better, guys. Okay guys, my food is ready. This is my vongole. You see what is inside? What I make now, see what you can see. This is what inside. Let me have a taste, guys. Oh my god, so yummy. Tastes so delicious, guys. See you for my next video. Bye bye.